In this video, I'm back with Echo, the weird one-click software that delivers tsunami of free buyer traffic that makes us $1,201 per day. And if you remember way back on the 17th of September 2021 when this product launched, I did this review video here. I'll leave a link up in the cards in the right-hand corner. Of course, I purchased Echo, but it was not available for me to actually show you what it does. And I'm back in the members area for Echo. Of course, remember step number 1 was to mark your calendar and register for a 10K training webinar with Sean Josiah, the creator of Echo. Step number 2 was to activate and unlock your commissions account. This means to go and purchase Perpetual Income 365 via their affiliate link, or actually this is his own product. And step 3, which I couldn't do on September 17th, 2021 when I purchased this product because the product was down for maintenance and it just recently came back. Of course, this is September 26, 2021 when I had a chance to actually revisit Echo and show you exactly what it does. So inside of Echo, you have getting started, you have some training videos. Here it shows you the Echo overview, the integration, setting up your products, creating your campaign, and echoing your traffic. We're going to get to all of this, but understand that there is no automation. There's no done for you here. Setting up your products, integration, as well as creating your campaigns and echoing your traffic, all has to be done manually. Under integrations, you're going to need to go to ClickBank and you're going to enter your ClickBank ID here. That means you're going to have to go to ClickBank. You're going to have to create a ClickBank account, and then you're going to have to come back and enter your ClickBank ID. Once you enter your ClickBank ID, you'll select Save. That will hard code your ClickBank ID here inside the Echo tool. Then you'll need to go to Autoresponder. Here you'll need to enter your API code and connect to GetResponse. Of course, if you don't have GetResponse, then this tool is not going to work for you. And again, if you don't have GetResponse and you want to set up the email collection piece of the software to integrate it into the campaigns or the pages that you're going to create that you're going to see here in a few minutes, then you need to go to GetResponse, get a GetResponse account, and then come back here and enter your API information. Here's where we start setting up our products. Manage your products, create a new offer. Here you select a niche. We'll say MMO. Here you need to choose an image, a title, a description, a price, and the link. Here is where you actually have to go out and you have to find your own affiliate offers. No affiliate offers are provided here in this tool. You need to go to ClickBank as an example because this is integrated with ClickBank because you put your ClickBank ID inside of the integrations. But at this point, now you'd have to go out and you would have to go to ClickBank, go to the marketplace, find a product, and then come back, download and add an image. As an example, I'll just go here and I'll just grab a logo that I have and I'll add that in here. Then I'll add a title here. Then I'll add a description. This is the description. I'll put a price and then I'll put my affiliate link. Of course, the link would be your affiliate link, but I'm going to use 30minutemarketing.net just to show you this example. You select save and then there is my product. Now we start creating our campaigns. Now here inside your campaign is where you're going to create a landing page or a squeeze page. And the Echo tool, the big reveal, the big thing that Echo does for you is allows you to embed a YouTube video and then put your offer here inside of this little pop-up menu inside of the Echo player that's going to be on a campaign page. So choose your niche, MMO. You'll see that it adds a little title that they put in for you automatically. Of course, you can edit this. Their title says your personal money tips and resources. Then they have a description right here. And then you could add some tags. It's not really clear what these tags are. They're just tags. So you could put make money online. That adds a tag. Retargeting words is what they say in the tutorial video. Not sure what that means either. It's not really clearly explained. Number of products. For some reason, this defaults to 127. It added one more, 128. I only have one that I entered. I'm going to hit next. Move on to the campaign screen. Now you can see this is going to be my product right here. And of course, your personal money and tips resources, video source YouTube, and then the video URL. So here you would need to select this. You would need to search a video, most recent, most viewed, and then you would need to search YouTube. For example, we'll select the keyword best free funnel builder. We'll hit search. As you can see, it's thinking about the search. It's searching. Okay, now it found some videos. Of course, this is my video right here, how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing, which is exactly what you're doing here inside of Echo. I actually show you inside of this video how you can actually do this for free, which is basically the same thing you're doing here with Echo that you paid for if you were unlucky enough to actually waste your money and your time on this product. Here you would select this video. It'll add that video into the player. Then you hit next. Here you add your product. Of course, this is the product that I manually set up under setting up products, and we'll go ahead and select that product. Here we'll choose the product. This is the product title here. Of course, it automatically added the title here, the description, the price, the link, and the image that I added manually under setting up products. Don't forget that. We'll go ahead and click next. And now you have the ability to customize the player. You can change the color. So you can come in here and you can colorize the player, change the options, get rid of the control bar. So the control bar will go away. Yes, no, autoplay, yes, no. Here you can select a thumbnail. Then here you can edit your product as well. You can edit the sharing. You could say share to Facebook, yes, no, Twitter, brand. You can set all this stuff up and you click next. Here you can show an opt-in form, yes or no. Of course, if you don't have get response, then you'll need to go get response, integrate get response into Echo with your API key. So we'll leave that off for now. And then we'll go ahead and say next. Then here is where you submit to get your campaign page. And then here you've created your campaign. Here you can click on this to get your embed code. This is the embed code for your campaign. Here you can click on this. It'll take you to the page. We'll go ahead. Echo commissions 500 internal server error. So this doesn't even work. Click back to home. It takes me back to Echo commissions. So again, I'll click on this button. This is supposed to take me to the video page. 500 internal server error. After all that waiting and all that time, this doesn't even work. Here, let's click on this button. It allows us to edit the campaign. 500 internal server error. Honestly, you can't even make this stuff up. I purchased this tool. It didn't work. I mean, it wasn't available for me to even demo it. Now it is available. I'm in here. It doesn't even work. So at this point, what you're supposed to do now is go to Echo your traffic. And this is the big traffic boost. This is the big sell. This is how you're supposed to echo your traffic so it will live on forever. Select the campaign. Of course, here's my campaign. Error message server error. It doesn't even work. But the point here is you would click on this and then you would share it to Facebook. And as you can see, I clicked on that. It doesn't even work because you get this error message. So I waited for this tool to demo it to you. That is Echo. It has been a shocking discovery, a $681 billion industry traffic glitch. This Echo is a traffic glitch. It is a glitch. Do not waste your time. Do not waste your money on anything else you see from the desk of Sean Josiah. This is a complete disaster. Sean, this is terrible. You should be ashamed and you should refund everyone immediately. If this video was helpful, thumbs up, 30-minute timer here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see on the screen. Click it, watch it. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.